everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add ChatGPT to Discord. To begin, you want to open up ChatGPT, also known as openai.com/blog/ChatGPT, and you'll be led to this website here. From there on, you want to press on Try ChatGPT, and for me, I'm already logged in, but it's going to ask you to make an account or sign up, so be sure to complete that. From here, it should be led to this page. Now, this page in general will allow you to use ChatGPT, but in order to add it to our Discord, we want to come down here to the left and press on OpenAI Discord. From here, it will give you an invite to the OpenAI Discord server. And if you give me a moment, as you can see on my Discord, I have been invited. So I'm going to press on Join OpenAI. And as you can see, I am in the server. From here, it's going to ask you to verify. In order to verify, you want to press on Complete. It's going to give you a few rules that you must agree to. Read these all or don't if you don't want to. Check this box and press on Submit. From there on, it's going to ask you to verify here. You want to come down here and press on Verify. Now, it's going to tell you to please type this CAPTCHA below to be able to access the server. We're going to press on Answer. And down there, it is Q. Wait, hold on. I need to read this once more. Type out the traced color characters from left to right. So, it is RGUGWL. You want to write the ones that have a line that has a line like in between them, basically. And as you can see, my verification has been done and I've been given access to the entire server. From here, I'm added to the discussion, as you can see, and I can talk with other people or get prompts and multiple different things. If this video helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe and tell me any problems you have down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to try and resolve them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.